Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, we're starting out here on the daily chart, and the bulls engaged the upper band yesterday. So if they get more follow through today, if they can engage the upper band, then you've got the potential for an upper band ride. If they really get into an upper band ride here, and we just did one here, they fought it back, we based, now we're going up to reach it again. If they start an upper band ride, if they want to make this week about the upper band ride, then this 2,900, that's going to come pretty quick. That could come today, tomorrow. So I'll be interested to see what the bulls have as we head into the open today. Our proprietary upper level 64.5 was the second place we got long yesterday, and it's what held overnight about 3:45 in the morning as support. The hourly mid band is consistently held. Let's look at the hourly chart. So you've just got all these little compression, expansion, compression, expansion. We're compressing a little bit now. We had a fairly flat overnight, but you can just see them walking it up. An hourly mid band is reliable support all the way through. Didn't try to threaten weekly pivot at all yesterday. We got into the regular session, and the downside was it was a blip to 56, and then we never looked back. So yesterday was a trend up day. It was a trend up day with the advanced decline line not really doing what you would expect it to do on a trend day. So it's something that we in the room over the years have called a stealth trend day. That's where the AD is kind of a liar. It whips you around a little bit. It makes it easy to fight. We didn't fight it. We were long 59, long 64.5, and we took some profits. The open was super choppy and really whippy, and we've seen that a lot on Monday mornings lately. It's almost getting to the point where Monday mornings, you're best backing off for about 15, 20 minutes, letting the thing work itself out, and then going from there. I'm not quite there yet, but I'm getting there. So for today, you've got to be very focused on initially the hourly midband. It's at 68. It's what has held the tape up all night long. It's what held the tape up yesterday. If it can hold 68, then you have to be making higher highs. So they haven't taken out yesterday's high, 28.73.5. That's got to go. If you can do that, then you can try to engage the upper band again. Right now, the daily upper Bollinger Band is at 28.82. So let's go back to the daily chart. Daily upper Bollinger Band sitting in and around 28.82. It's actually 28.82.5. You're going to have to print probably 84.5 to 85.5 in order to touch that band. The reason being, as price expands, the band expands. So it's kind of a moving target. You got to reach up and kind of grab the ring, so to speak. If you can do that, then at least into tomorrow, you still have the potential for an upper band ride. If you're the bears, you're really not relevant anywhere above the hourly midband now. I mean, you've done it to yourselves all over again. You spent 4 days trying to take out the daily midband. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you didn't do it again. So now we're up here, and we're going to stay up here until you guys show us that you have a pulse. You don't have a pulse, or nobody thinks you have a serious pulse, until you can convert hourly midband to resistance. And on a longer term time scale, you're going to have to take out something that matters, whether that's the weekly pivot, 28.23.5, or the 9-day at 34.5, or ultimately you're going to have to take out the daily mid at 17. That's, barring news, I don't see that happening today. But if the bears can just close it below the hourly mid-band and then try to keep it there for a day, then at least there'll be people that are out there saying, well, this has the potential for, maybe we have an interim high, maybe we got a lower high. But until you do something like that, bears, we're just going to keep on walking right up the stairs. All right. Everybody have a great day. Join us over on Instagram 920. We'll set up the open. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.